Hi guys, welcome. I'm so happy to finally be unboxing this album. This is Stray Kids 8 album, the Chick Chick version. And Stray Kids are my all-time favorite K-pop group, so I'm so happy I got it. I've been waiting for this to arrive for over a month now. It arrived today, so we're gonna open it. So before we open the actual album, I just wanted to show you guys these two photo cards that I got with the album. It came out of the packaging, so I tried my best not to look at it. So let's look at them now. 3, 2, 1. It's a group photo. Look at them. They're so pretty. And then this one is probably a single member photo. 3, 2, 1. We pulled Felix. Felix is my bias, and I never get Felix in any of my albums. I have 2 other Stray Kids albums, and I never pulled a Felix in that. I traded with my friend for a Felix card, but I'm so happy we pulled one. Now let's get on to opening the actual album. So this is how the front looks. As I said before, this is the Chick Chick version. And then in the back, we have the track list. And I loved every single song on this album. It's so good. I'll talk about it later in the video, but Stray Kids never disappoint, and they definitely did not disappoint this time. So I'm gonna open it up real quick and take everything out. Okay, so I just took everything out, and I thought we would go through the photo book first, because it's the biggest thing in the album. So the Chick Chick version comes with this red photo book, and this is how it looks. And let's flip through it, and I guess I'll talk about the songs as we flip through it. So my favorite way to listen to any K-pop songs is I have it playing on my computer, and then I search up the English translation for the lyrics on my phone so I can fully understand what the song is about, and then I read the English translation as I listen to the song. So that's what I did, and I love every single song. The meaning is amazing, and probably if I had to pick, my favorite song is probably Runners, Mountains, and Stray Kids. It's so good. Like seriously, this album has been on loop ever since it was released. And of course, the members are looking so good as always. Look at Changbin. You have Hyunjin. Actually, Changbin's birthday is on August 11th, if you guys didn't know. And one of my friend's birthday is also on August 11th. So I went to her birthday party, and it was kind of like a double celebration for me. So that was really fun. Look at Jisung. He's so pretty. Is that a wand or like a pen? And guys, Felix long hair is so good. So I love it when his freckles are visible. And we have Seungmin. And Seungmin's short hair, like it's not in this photo book, but in the MV he had like shorter hair, and I love that too. I love every single style choice of this era. It was so good. And then we have these pictures. So this album was supposed to come with the pre-order gift, but I don't know what is part of the pre-order gift. We'll see. And then we have a bunch of unit pictures. And then we have credits, the lyrics of the songs, which were amazing, and then more credits. And that was the end of the photo book. So really quickly, I wanted to compare these lyrics to the K-pop journal spread that I made for this album in here. Let me find it. So here's the thing. So I tried to like match up the fonts and all that stuff. I think I did a pretty good job except for Mountains, because the font for Mountain is kind of different, but I think I did a pretty good job. So I wrote my thoughts about each of the songs in this spread. So I'm really happy I got to compare it. And yeah, that was the photo book. So this over here is the mini photo book. This might have been the pre-order gift, I'm not sure. So we have Chan, Lina, Changbin, Hyunjin, Jisung, Felix, Sungmin, and Jongin. They're all so pretty. I'm so glad I have this mini photo book too. Like, I just love all of their albums. They're so good. And then we have this like postcard kind of thing, but we get all the members. And it reminds me of like, you know, in carnivals when you go into the photo booths, they give you like strips of pictures. It reminds me of that. So we have that, and all of them, of course, are looking pretty as ever. I love these so much. Now we have the CD. This is how the packaging for the CD looks. I love it when like the CD comes in an envelope like this. It's a lot safer for the CD. So I loved that they did it like this time. And then we have the actual CD. This one is also red. There's also these stickers in the album. These are a different kind of stickers they've tried this time, because usually we have stickers that have the names of each of the songs. I don't know if we get all the members, but we will check. So I got Chan, Lino, Felix, Hyunjin, Jisung, Changbin, Sungmin, and Ian. So I guess we do get all of the members. It's just not in age order, so that's totally fine. And then it comes with this card. We have one last thing before seeing whose photo cards we pulled, and this is our poster. Oh my god. Okay, this is way too big to fit in frame, but you can kind of see most of it. They're all looking so good. I would love to put up this poster, but the 5-star album that I got, I tried putting up the poster for that in my room, but it was like ripping. The poster was ripping off of the wall, so I took it off and I kept it away safely. So I'm going to see what I can do to display these safely. And then finally, for me, the most exciting part is to see what photo cards we got. My nails kind of match the photo card. That was not intentional. I've been trying so hard not to look at any other unboxings, so I didn't know the photo cards were gonna be like this. But let's see who we got. 3, 2, 1. We got Jongin. I've never pulled a Jongin card in my albums too, so I'm really happy I got that. And then 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, Hyunjin and Lino. One of the most chaotic duos I know. I'm so happy I got that. I'm really happy with my photo card pulls too. So here's everything that we opened in this unboxing. We got these 2 photo cards that I opened earlier. And then we have the big poster, the 2 photo cards that were included in the album, the stickers, the CD, and then this Polaroid card kind of thing. and then the mini booklet, and then of course the actual photo book. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and you should have, because if you love Stray Kids, you know, it's a new album and all that stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!